Right. Next heading, intensity of magnetization. Right. Next heading, intensity of magnetization. So the ratio of magnetic moment produced per unit volume inside a material when placed in magnetic field. When placed in magnetic field. Okay. So if you place a magnetic material like iron, nickel, cobalt, okay, then it magnetizes. It magnetizes in the direction of field. Okay. So amount of magnetic moment will develop inside the magnetic material per unit volume is known as intensity of magnetization. ठीक है. तो suppose this is your magnetic material like iron, nickel, cobalt or any material when subjected inside the field, when placed inside the field, then it gets magnetic property. It gets magnetic property means it gets magnetic moment. Its molecule align in the direction of field or opposite direction of field. ठीक है. तो later this part get magnetic moment of magnitude m dash. This part get magnetic moment of magnitude m dash. ना m dash. तो whole crystal get a net magnetic moment. That is magnetic moment develop inside the material when it is subjected to the magnetic field, to the external magnetic field. So amount of magnetic moment develop inside the magnetic material per unit volume is known as intensity of magnetization. Known as intensity of magnetization. ठीक है. तो later magnetic moment develop inside the magnetic material is capital M. Total magnetic moment develop inside the magnetic material is capital M, and volume of the magnetic material which is subjected to magnetic field is V. Then intensity of magnetization I is given by m upon V. I is given by m upon V. V volume get magnetic moment of magnitude capital M. So unit volume get magnetic moment m by V. So intensity of magnetic moment develop inside the magnetic material when subjected to magnetic field per unit volume is known as intensity of magnetization. So I is equal to m by V. I is equal to m upon V. ठीक है. Where m is magnetic moment develop inside the magnetic material placed inside the magnetic field with the volume of the magnetic surface. So how you define intensity of magnetization? Amount of magnetic moment developed inside the magnetic material when placed in the external magnetic field per unit volume is known as intensity of magnetization. The intensity of magnetization is given by I is equal to m upon V. I is equal to m upon V. Where m is the magnetic moment developed inside the magnetic material per unit volume. M is the amount of magnetic moment developed inside the magnetic material and V is the volume of the magnetic material. ठीक है. और unit of magnetic moment unit of intensity of magnetization. तो I is equal to m upon V. I is equal to m upon V. So I is equal to m. Unit of m is ampere meter square. Ampere meter square. And unit of volume is meter cube. Simplify this, then we get ampere meter 2 minus 3. In multiplication and same is power subtracted. So I is equal to ampere meter minus 1. So this is your unit of intensity of magnetization. Unit of intensity of magnetization. So right here unit of intensity of magnetization. Unit of intensity of magnetization. So thus SI unit of intensity of metallization is SI unit of intensity of metallization is एम्पियर मीटर माइनस 1. ठीक है. तो दिस इज आल्सो यूनिट ऑफ मैग्नेटिक इंटेंसिटी. तो दस यूनिट ऑफ इंटेंसिटी ऑफ मेटालाइजेशन एंड मैग्नेटिक इंटेंसिटी इज सेम. ठीक है. तो नाउ later I let a bar magnet of length L and cross sectional area A is placed. Let a bar magnet of length L and of length 12 and cross sectional area suppose A. Have magnetic pole strength M. ठीक है. This is south pole strength, north pole strength M minus. Then intensity of metallization. Then what is intensity of metallization of this bar magnet? The magnetic moment of this bar magnet is given by pole strength into effective length of the magnet. So pole strength is M, effective length of the magnet is 2A. ठीक है. Volume of this bar magnet is area of cross section into length. So A into 2L. So intensity of metallization of this bar magnet is given by the ratio of magnetic moment developed inside the bar magnet when placed in external magnetic field upon volume. The volume is upon volume V. So I is equal to M. M is M into 2L and volume is A into 2L. 2L cancel out. So I is equal to M upon A. ठीक है. तो thus the ratio of magnetic pole strength to the cross sectional area is the intensity of metallization of bar magnet. So you get an alternate definition for intensity of metallization. The ratio of magnetic pole strength to the cross sectional area of the magnet is the intensity of metallization.